Drowned killers abound! He can smell them out. Here they come, the roadkill scum! That wreckage lies in a shallow grave! I'm spoiled, if we'd be so blessed!
I am of the flame, and the flame courses through my pilgrims of the dark wastes. Come, shelter with us in the light of the flame. All are welcome.
Don't trust no driver who don't have any.
The end times are upon us. I, Deep Friah, spawn of the great flame, have beheld it. My children, the flock of wildfire, eagerly await their righteous salvation. They expect me to deliver them. I see in you possible salvation.
How so?
Gastown is doomed. The dunes outside all run red with blood. Dread Scrotus and his war boys spread their bloody gospel of the blade. But you, your goal is elsewhere. That makes you a valuable ally.
Nobody's ally.
Many of my flock have come from the path of the blade and on to the flame. You'll be rewarded in buffed-up weapons.
What do you need?
Since Dread Scrotus' recent bout with death by chainsaw to the nugget, the holy machination we call the Warm Embrace has become non-functional.
You mean that big tube mounted outside?
It leads into the gas-filled belly of Gastown. Once a sacred moon, it bellows out a pure flame, embracing the wildfire, standing in its front. Now the flames have stopped. We cannot go into the tunnels, pitch black and full of flammable gas, making our torches impossible to use. Your false light there, that's the way to go. The tunnel from where the gases will come is in the underbelly.
I never
thought I'd return to Gastown.
What?
I was a Blackfinger here. Yeah, the finest, the most exalted. Oh, I had it all. The parts, the purpose. I worked on the war machines and the assault vehicles, and I had a bunk, as much gruel and cheese and grease as I could eat. Here, and I had a plan. In the pitch of night, she whispered to me, the sweet angel combustion, she chose to visit this lowly acolyte, and she gave me the plan. Oh, the sweet angel combustion chose to visit this lowly acolyte.
What happened?
She told me that I had to begin my toil. I had the designs inside the pan, see? Just like she laid them down. The angel. And I began liberating parts for her design. And they caught me. They wished to turn me off for good, but Schroeder's rudder, he wanted to play with me. Torture me. And they threw me off a wall in a bungee. But with the aid of the angel, I made it out. I didn't die.
The parts.
Hidden away. Wait. Hey! Oh, I think that we can get them for her. Yes, as it was intended by the Shimmy Shammy, using the magnum opus and the harpoon.
Let's do it.
Gastown a little less nasty, huh? Less pukes to threaten us around here. To believe that I will see my old things once more. Most of all, my sacred bridge. Oh, just think of the miracles I'll be able to perform with her. The underbelly's big, Saint, huh? The stash, you see. Below many a dark passage and crawl and tunnel, huh? But there's a quicker way. Here, from the outside. Oh, these metal monsters! Scarecrows! The region is thick with them!
Keep an eye on the car.
Yes, gladly. Just go straight ahead and you'll find it. Don't worry, Austin.
Those hubcaps are mine! Keep your filthy paws off! No worry. Ain't no one coming back here. We corpse them all. Company! We're being attacked! distance. What's that?
Yeah. Those insects were good eating. And they ran out too. This must be what he talked about.